We're leaving on another adventure. And on this adventure, we're leaving Nilly behind. We're Mike and Debbie Kelly of Kelly's Outdoor Adventures, the RV Drifters. For the past 3 years, we've been on a mission to see all 50 states. We travel full-time in our F-350 truck we call Willy, and our RV sports truck travel trailer we call Nilly. No tight schedules, no big plans, just real travel and real moments, and the occasional curveball. Sometimes things go smoothly, and sometimes they don't. That's all part of the adventure, so come along with us as we see where the road takes us next. This vlog was produced the day before our Amtrak adventure. I separated it out as a standalone video, just showing what we did in preparation for the trip. It's pack-up day. We've been sitting here at Rocky Fork Ranch for a couple of weeks. We need to get Willy and Nilly all packed up because we have a big adventure coming up.
Definitely have to get the air blower, but I came up here to get Starlink down.
During the time we were at this campground, we had like 3 solid days of rain, and you can see that the leaves, wet leaves, stained the top of the camper. We're going to have to look on what we can do to clean that up. Better not forget to roll up the cable that connects the Starlink on the roof to the router inside the camper. The foam plug that goes in when we're going down the road.
You gotta put that plug back in there to keep the critters out. Okay. I don't know if we've showed you, but we started bringing our air fryer along, and it rides very nicely right where she sits, and we put our Starlink cable up and coil it so we don't have any issues with that. So black tank first, gray tank will come next.
When we're packing up, I generally do the outside. Debbie does everything on the inside. I think we have to allow for the most part, an hour for each of us to get our jobs done so we can hit the road. Usually I'm doing a repair on our RV, but this time around I had a repair that I did for the campground.
Yes. It's the exact same thing. The new one. This was loose and it was leaking water, so we replaced it. And it was either that or the campground told us to move. And we weren't really interested in moving, so we just went to the hardware store, and for $10 we bought a new valve and installed it ourselves. Just confirming, it is a 3/4 inch, and I'll get some thread pipe, or not pipe, I'll get some thread goop, what I call it goop. When I put this back on and then torque it back down, then we'll put the valve back on and everything will be fixed.
And just a quick note, at this campground, the sewer connections are not really conveniently placed. As you can see, it took me 3 full sewer lines to reach the connection.
And of course we have to do the back floor jacks manually. So tell me this isn't packed right up to the top.
At 10:57.
Okay.
Did you plug in the refrigerator?
No, I have not.
Slow, slow, slow. Oh, God.
We made it to our mooch docking site tonight, where Nilly is going to spend the next week plus here. We're going to stay the night in Nilly, and then we'll take Willie and head down to the airport in Columbus, Ohio, and catch a flight to Chicago, and then Amtrak to Salt Lake City. So we set up here, mooch docking for the night, and then we'll just close everything up, and we will head to the airport like 4 o'clock in the morning. So we'll only be here for, we'll probably call it an early night, but yeah, here we are. Tomorrow the westward adventure begins. Look at the full moon. Very awesome. Yeah, I know that this isn't going to show up very well, but they're harvesting soybeans right behind the RV with a full harvest moon. That's pretty cool. Good night, everybody.
And I hope you guys can join us tomorrow as part 2 of this video comes out, the Amtrak adventure. And I do want to thank everybody for watching today's video. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all those things to help keep connected to all of our adventures. And as always, and until next
There's
time,
the California Zephyr.
cheers, everybody.